Now in this video we are going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. The problem reads as a circular lamina of 50 diameter is standing with one of its points on the rim on HP, and the lamina is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. The diameter at right angle to the diameter which is passing through the point on which the lamina is parallel to VP. Draw its projections. Whenever you have a circular lamina, always you go for directly doing the problem on the software. Don't try to do it on the manually and then try to do it in a computer, because to do the lamina in by using the manual sketching, it will take more time. So it is better to go directly onto a software now which has got a provision to do that, wherein if you do it, if you do the problem correctly in the software, automatically you will going to get the full marks which has to be admitted, which has to be allotted for the sketch is also given directly to the computer drawing itself. So this is the advantage what you have. Now I will show how to do this without doing it in manually. A circular lamina of 50 diameter as standing with one of its points on the rim on HP. So since it is rim on HP, obviously it should be starting from HP, and the lamina is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. That means the surface of the lamina is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. So I need to start the problem from the top view. So to do that, first I will go for the solid screen. So this is the default background sheet of A2. So I need to change it to A4. So you just go to the sheet 1 and just right click on the first button of the mouse, right click on the mouse, then click on sheet setup, come down to the background sheet and you make it select A4 background. I don't want to show background, say OK. Now since the display is still set for A2, now the display should be set for A4, you just click on fit. Now we will try to write the problem. First I will go for text, come down to Times New Roman and take the font size as 4, enter. Then here you type a circular lamina of 50 diameter is standing with one of its points with one of its points on the rim, on HP, and the lamina is inclined at 45 degrees to HP, and the lamina 45 degrees to HP, the diameter at right angles, to the diameter which is passing through the point on which the lamina rests is parallel to VP. Draw its predictions. Now right click, then you come down to sketching, go to move, disable copy, you select this and you take it here. Now we go for zoom window. Now first I need to write before actually starting with the drawing, so make sure in IntelliSketch endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical is enabled, and all other options you disable it first. So then go to line command, select some line width as 0.05, because all the projector lines should be of 0.05, and first I will going to draw one horizontal line of any convenient length, and now I go for a text So times Roman, take the font size as 3, and here I will write caps lock on, type capital X, and here it is capital Y, and then we have VP, okay, then we have HP now, okay, then right click. Now we go for a circle command. What is the diameter? Diameter is 50, so you take some point and draw a horizon, take the diameter as 50 now, okay, right click. Now we will go for, again click on center, then you just go to silhouette point, go to line, take the quadrant of this to quadrant of this, okay. Now I want to divide the circle into 12 equal points, so I will go for rotate command, enable copy, select this, take center of this, so I need to take the center, so remove silhouette, click on center, so take the center point of this. What is the angle you want to rotate? I want to rotate the angle by 30. What is the position? The position is now at 0 degree. What is the step you want? 30 degrees. Every time you want to copy by 30. So you click on this, then you take this to the next point, then you take to the next point, then you take this to the next point, then you take this to the next point. So you have 12 points. Now you need not have to write for all these things, so I will take A, D, G, H like this, A, D, G, K. I need to divide this. So I will go to text, you just go to this and make it 0.5 first. Now I will go for a text of what? Here I will type small letter A, D, G, K, okay. Then go to more, disable copy, you take this A, then you take D, then you take G, then you take K, okay. Then go to line, take endpoint, okay. Similarly from here draw a vertical projectors from each of these points, okay. Similarly from D. Now we go to trim these three, okay, and similarly here. Now I need to split this, so go to split this line till here, okay. Now you go to select this line, make it 0.5, okay. Then you go to split this line till here, and then split this line till here. Now you go to mirror, so you go to mirror option. By holding the shift key, you select this entire thing, and also this line, and this line. Mirror with reference to what? Mirror with reference to this line. So now we got all the lines has been projected. Now I want to make it as a group now. So go to group, select this entire thing, and you make it as a group, okay. Now I will go for text. So here you type A dash, then you have D dash, then you have G dash, then you have K dash, okay. Now go to move, select this X, and you select this VP, and you select this HP. Then go to A dash, similarly D dash, okay. Then you take K dash, then you have G dash, okay. Now once you do that, go to fit. Then one of its points on the rim, the lamina is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. So you just go to move, enable copy, you select this entire drawing, and give the Y displacement as 0, and take it to the whichever position you want, and click. Now you go to rotate, disable copy, you select this entire drawing, take this endpoint and this endpoint by rotating at an angle of 45 degrees now, okay, right click. Now we have the line. From here you draw a horizontal line of any length. Now you go to line command, draw a line from intersection point here, then from here. So these two are the extreme points, and which is those 2 points will be considered here on this. Okay. Then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Now you go to move, disable copy, you take G and you take it. Okay. Now you have you take A dash and you copy this here, and then you take G dash and you copy this here. That is fine. Next we want a line. I will take this end point and draw a vertical line. Similarly from here you will get this point. Okay. Which is those 2 points after A dash, that is this point. You take it from here. End of this. Okay. Similarly from the end of this. Okay. Now once you do that, now we go for the trim corner between these two, okay. Similarly between these two and also between these two. Then you go to line and take this end point and draw a vertical projector, then to this point draw a vertical projector. Which are all those 2 points now from here? Now take between these two and also take between these two now. Then again go to trim corner between this line and this, between this line and this line. Similarly between this line and this, and also between these two. Do one by one. Don't try to project all the points and then start working on it. Then it becomes, you will get confused. So again you go to end point and you take this. Similarly from here you take the end point. Then go to line, take a end point of this. Similarly from here, end point. Then go to trim corner between this line and this line, between this line and this line. Now once you do that, go to move, enable copy, you take D dash and you keep it here. Then you have K dash and you keep it here. Okay. So now we have the top view now. So to do that, I will go for move, take A and you keep it here. Then you take G and you keep it here. Then you have K and you keep it here. Okay. Then you have D and you keep it here. Now we want to do the ellipse command. Go to circle. In circle you go to ellipse by center point. So ellipse, take the center point as the intersection of this, and then the end point is this. What should be this angle? So here I want to give the radius as from the center I want to take this point, which is the distance. The distance will be you take this. So I want to give this as 25 because total dimension is 50. So you take 25. So you will going to get this dimension will be locked with this. So now we have the ellipse drawn. So ellipse will have the major axis and the minor axis. So you can see as the D dash K dash is one of the diameter which is parallel to HP. So you are getting the true length here, which is same as this line. And as A dash G dash becomes inclined to HP, so you are going to get the apparent length. So this length will be less and this length will be more. So this becomes the minor axis and this will going to become the major axis. That is why it will going to form an ellipse here. Now you go to select this ellipse and make it 0.5. Once you do that, now you need to split these things. Go to split this line till here, then you 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 split this line till here. Similarly, now from the vertical position, you take this intersection, you take this intersection, you take this end point, you take this on this end point, and you take this on this end point. Now you form a group now. So to do that, go to group command, select this, and you select this entire thing now. Okay, and then right click. Now you go to move. So then what he says, and the lamina is inclined at 45 degrees to HP. The diameter at right angle, is what dk, which is passing through the point on the laminar rest. So the diameter at right angle dk is parallel to VP. Now what is the position of dk now? The position of dk is perpendicular to VP. Now you want to make it parallel to VP. So to do that, I will go to move, enable copy, you select this and copy it here. Okay. Now we need to rotate this. So go to rotate command, select this, and you take this endpoint with this endpoint being rotated by an angle of 90 degrees. Okay. Then go to move, disable copy, you select this and bring it wherever you want. Now as you rotate either in the clockwise or you can rotate in the counterclockwise. So I will go for move, enable copy, I will take A and I will keep it here. So then I will keep G here, then I will keep D here, then I will keep K on this side. So I am rotating in counterclockwise direction. Once you do that, now you go for the line command, take G dash, draw a horizontal projector. So from here you take this and go to trim corner between these two now. Okay. Once you do that, then go to line, take D dash K dash. Okay. So which is that D dash, you take this, and similarly from K dash. Okay. Then go to trim corner between these two now. So now we have 4 points. Now I will go for A line, take this point, and similarly from here. Okay. So if you do that, which is that point A, after that, that is A, so that is from here now. Take it from these two. Okay. Now you take a trim corner between this line and this line, similarly between these two. Okay. Similarly between these two. Now we have line, take from here and also from here. Now you take those 2 points here, then from here. Now once you do that, go to trim corner between this line and this, and similarly between this line, between this line, and also between this line and this line. So now we have all the 12 points which has been shown. Now I need to draw by means of a curve. So to do that, go to curve, select this endpoint to this endpoint, to this endpoint, to this endpoint, like this you join. Next to this, where it is ending, at that point you need to consider this. Now here it is intersection, so here it is intersection, here it is intersection to this point, right click. Now we have the curve which has been joined. Go to this and to make this as 0.5 now. Okay. Once you do that, you go to fit. Now you come down to zoom window. Now I need to write the points now. So to do that, go to text. Here you type A dash. Okay. Then we have D dash. Then you have G dash. And here you have K dash. Right click. Then go to zoom window. Now you come down to move command, disable copy, take D dash, move it here, then G dash, then K dash, then A dash. Okay. Now we have to split this line till here, then go to select and you delete this, and then go to fit, then come down to zoom window. Now go to move, disable copy, you take Y and bring it here. Now we go for the dimensioning styles. Go to ISO, click on modify, click on general, make it all or black. Okay. Then come down to text. So go to Times New Roman and font size is 3, and then go to lines and coordinates, make it 0.1. Now OK and apply. So go to distance between this line and this, which is, what is that? What is diameter? 33.09. So go to distance between, take this end point of this to end point of this, which is 50. You should get 50. So here you take the diameter symbol, you go to the diameter symbol and then go to apply. Okay. Okay, come down to this, remove this blank. So you have the diameter symbol here. So here I will write the text, which is 50. Okay, then I will go for rotate command, select this, rotate in this direction, then go to move, select this and you keep it diameter 50. Now once you do that, now we need to go for the angle between. So to do that, go to angle between this line and this line. So I don't want the diameter symbol. You just go to this and you just clear it and say OK, and you come down to this, make it nominal. So you are going to get it as 45 degrees here. So the diameter triangles. Now you go to select. By holding the shift key, you select between these three and make this as 0.13. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the Solid software. So this is how you will be able to get the solution directly by doing it through the software without doing the problem in the sketchbook. Thank you.